Can I go ahead?
Yes.
Yeah. Good evening, all. My objective today is to tell a business story on how successful we are. So I'm working in one of the leading IT company, and I'm serving one of the leading manufacturing company in North America. So till 214, everything was going smooth in that specific account or with the client. Customer was very happy with us, and customer is having their own data centers. What do I mean by data center is whatever web applications or web server they are having, they were maintaining that in their premises itself. And the account, we were generating more than 40% profitability, and that account, it's known for the quality. And also we used to have hackathon sessions along with the client. So what do I mean by the hackathon sessions? It's an innovation session. It used to plan over a weekend on Saturday and Sunday. Client used to travel from on-site or from America to offshore. And 2 days, Saturday morning to Sunday evening, we'll be having that hackathon sessions. We will generate many ideas on how to improve the current process. So till 2014, the account was going very smooth, and then something has happened. The customer want to move their current office from California to Plano. So it was a huge investment, and there was a pressure at a CXO level to optimize the cost. So there were three main things we need to take care. One, we need to take care of people. Then we need to take care of the process. Then we need to take care of the tools. So the people, the mindset, we need to work with the people, because so far the people are working on the traditional development model, whereas we need to move to the agile model. So it's something new to the team, and the team want to directly, they need to interact with the customer on daily basis. They need to give an update to the customer. So these things were challenging to the team. So we suggested the customer that since they are having the traditional data center in their premises, why can't they get into a digital transformation? So what do I mean by digital transformation is the entire world is moving towards the cloud computing. So if we go to the cloud computing, there will be a savings of 30 percentage per annum. And the client is asked is that every year they want a 10 percentage of savings. So these things can be easily achieved with the cloud computing. And also we provided the training to all the team members, to our company's associates, and also the client side on the latest technology skills on agile, so that they can work. There will be stand up, there will be daily ceremonies happening. So all the things they can work closely. So it was a painful process for migrating from a traditional model to a new model, but we all undergone that. And the future or the benefits, what we are seeing is that those days are in the past. If at all we want to take any application to production, it will take months, and some cases it will take years, because there was a big procurement process. They need to get approval at a various level for infrastructure or for hardware. Then only the applications to be developed and then move. But now, once the cloud was implemented, taking things to market is very faster, and due to that, there is any increase in the client's revenue profit. And we are also seeing many profit because we are doing a campus recruitment, and we are keep on adding the associates, and even we are managing attrition very well. So in this success story, once we have successfully implemented this, so we have been asked to implement this success stories across many other clients. So instead of giving a boring presentations to other clients, what we are telling is we are sharing it as a story. So we have a four-step formula or a four-step process. One, what has happened in the past, or how things are beautiful in the past. Then something has happened. That is, what is the change or challenge we have faced. And third one is, so now. So what are the current actions we are taking? And the fourth one is, what is the benefits, or what is it we can see in the future. So with this four-step formula as a story, I'm sharing with many accounts or many clients. and this will be useful for them, and they are also started implementing the same success formula, and they are also seeing the benefits. So this is the 4-step formula which I would like to convey today. Over to you, Eric.